In this video, I'm going to show you what is copy to clipboard snapshot. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see, understanding this snapshot clipboard, it means it is a part of Snapchat that stores content you copied. It will be a text or a picture or a link. Your copied content can then be placed elsewhere, either in Snapchat or from the other applications that you could possibly have on your device. The clipboard is actually a holding ground temporarily for copied content to avoid retyping or uploading the same. So every time you see the copied to clipboard prompt, it means that the copied contact, text, image, or link was stored temporarily on your device's clipboard. So the clipboard feature is not exclusive to Snapchat only. There are many smartphone applications with clipboard capabilities. So this supports the copy and paste of content from another place to another. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.